Every day, we receive many text messages, but some messages could save lives, protect your health, or keep you safe during emergencies. How do you know if a message is an official government alert? Official government alerts will only come from 3 authorized sender IDs: GMET for weather, Interior Min for other emergencies and security, and MOH for health. Messages from GMET provide official weather updates and early warnings, including storms, heavy rainfall, and flooding. Each alert shows the likelihood of the event as a percentage, so you know how probable it is and can prepare accordingly. Messages from Interior Min provide important emergency and security information, including disaster alerts, evacuation notices, security advisories, and other public safety information, including matters with human security implications. Messages from MOH provide official public health information, including disease outbreaks, vaccination campaigns, health advisories, and other important health updates. Whenever you receive a message from Interior Min or MOH, read it carefully and follow the instructions provided. The information is official, timely, and intended to protect you and your community. Keep your SMS notifications turned on and check your messages regularly. Unlike messaging apps, SMS can reach you even without internet access. Official government alerts. Trusted information when you need it most. Look out for messages from GMET, Interior Min, and MOH.